welcome to our hometown of Nowra. Yeah, we've come straight back into the August westerly winds. If anyone knows anything about the south coast of New South Wales, they are atrocious. But what do? It's not real warm, but we're home. We're here for a bit over a week or so. The children clearly don't think it's cold because he's running around in shorts and a t-shirt. But anyway, yeah, so we are gonna go look for some whales. The whales come in pretty close down here in the Jervis Bay area, so hopefully we can go and suss some of them out. So we're gonna get down there and we'll show you around our hometown of Nowra. Let's get stuck into it. And we just come into Beecroft Peninsula. It's actually a native bombing range out here. And a national park. Honeymoon Bay, if you've ever heard of Honeymoon Bay, it's just over there. But yeah, you can't bring animals. You've got to register to come in here. But we're going up to the Point Perpendicular Lighthouse and see if we can get see some whales from up here. But the view from up here will be absolutely stunning. Shame it's blowy, but yeah, we've picked up our little nephew. He's sitting in the back there with us, and yeah, we'll go and see if we can spot some whales for you. There are a few corrugations out here, but we just come down from the Cape, so nothing we're going to be concerned about. But yeah, we'll get out of the lighthouse and give you a look around. Alright, so we pulled up into the car park. That is Jervis Bay over there. It's bloody beautiful up here. Blowing its head off in town, as you've seen this morning, but it might be in absolutely smick conditions up here. But yeah, so you get into this little car park, and then the lighthouse is just over there. So we'll get up there and have a look-see. How bloody good is that view? I mean, I don't care. I've been to a lot of places on the coast, but something about this place just hits different. It is bloody stunning. So yeah, the area around here, Jervis Bay, is just over here. If you've never been to Jervis Bay, you got to make sure you come and check it out at some point. It is top notch, as good as anywhere in Australia, I would say. But yeah, bloody beautiful place. So, and a bit of a fun fact: this lighthouse here, a few of you have probably seen that I've got a few tattoos and one of my legs is totally covered, but the lighthouse that is on my leg is actually this one. This one right here. And that's in memory of my mother, who's no longer with us, but yeah, so that's basically her headstone, because we scattered her ashes just over here somewhere. Little beach called Koala Beach. So yeah, there's a bit of a fun fact for you, for those playing at home. Yeah, see, we were just thinking we may have actually missed the crossover. The whales might have all gone past here. It might be still up north. I know there's a few that are actually, unfortunately, getting washed up on Fraser Island at the moment. So they might have, the ones going up might have gone past, and the ones coming back might not have made it down here yet. But it's definitely a hot spot for the old whale watching. And out of Huskisson, which goes just over here, there's a heap of cruises and stuff, so if you're in the area and you want to see some whales, hook one of them up. But this over here, this little island over here is called Bowen Island, and there is absolutely amazing fishing in this area for those playing at home. Just over towards in Jervis Bay is one of, if not the best land-based game fishing spots in Australia. I saw there was a guy pulled a couple 100 kilo marlin off there the other day. But yeah, absolutely stunning place. And I think, looking at what I can see from here, you can actually get up onto the lighthouse now. You never used to be able to do that, so we'll go and check that out in a sec, because we'll go for a walk up and show you a bit from up there, unless it's some sort of tour. But yeah, Point Perpendicular. Put on your list of places you have to come and see one day. There you go. Lived in Yonder for 40 something years and never come up this lighthouse. I didn't even know there was a thing you're allowed to do, so this is the first for us, but not many lighthouses you can come up to with these days. few more steps in here that it looks like from the ground too. Those nice lighthouses, little spiral staircase up the middle. If I don't watch what I'm doing, I'm going to fall back down these. But check this view.
I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong to get yourself together. Things still get better.
This is a nice little added bonus. Never been allowed up here, so yeah, happy days. And as we can see, it is stunning. So it looks like they've got some pretty epic plans coming up around here. They're going to build like a sky bridge and walkway and whatnot. Awesome. Well, that was a definitely a little bonus surprise.
And we just made it too because it closes at noon and it's now 10 past. So yeah, we had a good look around.
Don't mind Hayley, she's come back into the cold weather and got bloody sick.
I feel like crap today, really bad. So I'm not going on the camera.
But yeah, no, that was sick. Like I said, we've been here for, I'm 41 now, and growing up here all my life, I've never once been up into that lighthouse. So
Yeah.
that was a sweet little addition, but an absolutely stunner of a day. So now we are heading over to a little town called Caravans, little fishing village not far from here, and we're going to get some fish and chips for lunch because they do some wicked fish and chips, and they've got a cracking caravan park out there too. So yeah, as you can tell, we're probably pretty biased at how good this area is, being born and bred here, but it is pretty specky. So we've come into Caravans and ordered some lunch. Got some fish and chippies. Yeah, like I said, here they do absolutely stunning fish and chips. So, and then we're going to go and sit just down over here. A little park down there. The kids can have a play and enjoy this cracking weather. What a turn it was from this morning. Are you kidding us? How's this for a little lunch spot? Got the food down here. Turn the drone up. Check this place out. This place is stunning. Yeah, so like we said, this is the town of Caravans, which is about 20 minutes out of Nowra. Little sleepy fishing village. There's a boat ramp. There's a couple of wrecks around here. There's a beautiful walk out to Point Perpendicular. Out to Beecroft, sorry, not Point Perpendicular, out to Beecroft. Yeah, absolutely stunning area. In summer, it is very, very popular too. So, but the caravan park is just next to the big white house up here. So, just behind that is a caravan park, which is super popular and has amazing facilities. So, if you're looking for somewhere good to stay down in this area, check that out. So, we've had a few over our time, but I still rate these as possibly some of the best fish cocktails in Australia. Drop down in the comments, where's the best fish cocktails you've had? We've got plenty of time to go check them out, so let us know. That's the business. Oh, what a stunning day. Just while we're at it too, not a paid promotion, just like talking about good products. If you're looking for a good beach mat, these Will and Win ones are bloody happy. We've been using it for like 10 months now, and it is, the sand doesn't stick to it. You can fold it up, roll it up nice and small. Right now guys, our time here in Nowra is done. We are all hooked up. We are heading about 2 hours south to a little town called Nellige, and there's a big four down there hooking up with our best mates. If you've been watching for a while, you're the same guys that we done Fraser Island with. We are going to hook up with them, so like I said, we're all hooked up, ready to go, just sorting out a couple of final things and we're out of here. We'll get down the road and we'll probably catch up with you when we hit Nellige. This little park is meant to be epic, so we've actually never been there. So super excited to get down there and check that out and spend some time with the besties. Right, let's get on the road.